chubun phimro jing tip nam ta khubor Laitkam te kidon kumba Hapoh Tylli kam ki balaj ingba ka medical drug and services limited te kidon laki jong teng ju post laki jong qualification but laki jong jaka posting te ki kwa ban apply sampai ke video la kidon qualification sampai ke video de bakut but select ke bron kam. Advertisement application from citizen of Meghalaya are urgently required for appointment on a contractual basis. Contractual for a period of 2 years as name in renew pada for the following post under Meghalayan Medical Drug and Services Limited Meghalaya. Teka post ke banikong kadai lab technician. Teki berada ban pulih ke lab technician terkira tip hi ban apply lab technician kalau kan tali are penduduk tali ke post remuneration as per Mmdsl norms. Hangnai bedai habdap ya ka diploma in medical laboratory technology ki balaj pulih gini gilanang or bachelor of science in medical laboratory technology or degree in clinical laboratory science or certificate in lab technology. Teki balaj gini gilanang hi at least 2 years of experience kan mau pan experience proven working experience as a lab technician, computer literacy and experience with laboratory information system. Kapes posting beda kadai anywhere in the state labanyo sya Garuhil labanyo sya Khasihil mta tarter tekane lab technician dan arpendru tangi balik pulih ka lab ki lab apply. Dan kaba the full stack developer tangkawi ka post as per Mmdsl norms kane beda they menda ka bachelor of computer application and computer science and engineering and technology and computer science and engineering. Skill required familiarity with frameworks such as Laravel, Bootstrap, Angular, tegi balik pulih gini tegi aktif bahai gini the front end language, HTML, CSS, JavaScript komputer terter. Tekande bade kadai Hapoh Shillong place of hosting kadai Shillong. Dan sakane kau bade equipment engineer tangkawai ganeru they benda bachelor or master in engineering, biomedical engineering, electronic extra or related field. Yang related between the engineer. And then Kamro is skill required, exceptional knowledge in the structure, experience in quality control and testing, thorough knowledge of safety, experience in sales and service, proficient in Microsoft Office, there. A place of hosting a Shillong, experience on come license name of experience in medical equipment system position. Take bodon qualification, take last 2 ba la don kita ka experience and ko apply, ila apply. And kabasa kana equipment technician are Tylli post kate de Shillong are Tylli post ne bachelor of technology in biomedical engineering BME or similar field and a diploma in electrical/medical electronic or similar field. Tekidon gini skill required kidon kami gini skill ada pila gini kidon pila apply dan kam experience so 2 years of experience as a biomedical technician. Kini kiju skill required tapi laban play hi kini ro ya kene bade ki post kidon place of posting ana West Khasihil kawai ka post Garuhil kawai ka post markidon Tylli and kawai bade Sandali kidon da kene bade data entry operator kawai ka post qualification ni high school diploma laban de class 12 the plus ka diploma and additional computer training or certification with and will be an asset. Experience and competency 1 or more years of experience relevant work experience don't come she dan arts name ka experience with MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint and data program, familiarity with administrative duties, typing speed and accuracy. Kene kedai tang Hapoh Garuhil kawai ka post kalai. Tehni ada batai kumno wan pendap ada don pengpi ki ba biang qualification ko apply. Qualified and interested candidate can submit their application electronically kan mau ka debit online through online form only link below on or before 4 p.m. of 10 of July 2024 with soft copy their biodata, certificate and job experience. The application of the candidate will be screened and intimidated in due course. Any future information update will be made known via appropriate channel. Tegil ai ki link ba pin apply link ba kini Hapoh ladap ai ladap batai kumno itu bakwa apply kumno. All biodata and testimonial including CV, resume are to be scanned, have scan and upload in a single file PDF. Kadiban long Hapoh ka 10 MB kita baro. The competent authority will relax minimum years of experience if the number of candidate meeting requirements less. But yakitu ki experience lada omdon badai kin pinduna no yakata minimum years of experience. Cuba lada bu arts name ada don experience kin shim no kita ki business name ada don business name mod ba ki don experience ru ki la ban shim candidate may have to go written or practical test la ban haban don kata written test and practical test. Preference will be given to candidate who are domicile of Meghalaya. The office of design reserves the right to cancel, extend, advertise the same and this is okay. All applications are required to fill online form. Kan mau ikani, piawan fill lang bak online form pada dapat aheng ni. Piawan klik ini mmdsl.in application.form. For more detail, please visit https:/mmdsl.in recruitment. Piawan visit ikini artali. Banyo ikani ka PDF hila ban lai ka website jong ka mmdsl.gov.in dan bisa download ikani ka PDF ndala download pensayo ikani link ru bat bisa alaban pendap hi kita kinon kam ujung pi mar baka debit online te ka form ro kala don lupa applicant form hila ban klik nang ni ka yuhi la pialam ya pi kata ban pendap ite form pihaban sna ka PDF file di dokumen jong pi baro enam tagi detail baro ong ba pihaban lek nam ta ka mmdsl.in recruitment dengan saya lamang tu bisa laban pulih di detail baro nam tagi ndiki experience e baro yang try tang gini hi kiba ada ni kita experience pada kita ka qualification gila ban le ka bulan kam te kana Hapoh by laboratory technician duty station various location ladap ai location jong lab technician mo idon khatnyo tele ida mau e reng do nong ba jaran pura khasya selsela mokorwar nikor bajang doba nong nong klau pasture institute maurang keneng laling ko chamati pam rapatlu neng mandal gre kinde mar bagi lab technician gidon hadu arpulu tele post te lagi jong jaka tenamta ke jing te bakhamnya sara check hi kine baro ki detail ada pikwa ban apply la download Hapoh ka mmdsl.gov.in te ka link ban apply online lu la don hang tu hi te sale ka bulan kam la ban check lut hande Hapoh term of reference e baro la da pan pen i la ban batai lut namta ki jinon kam habede bat ki post baro ki balaj nang te tanggi deh hijing pentip kulai jubun